Finding the best non-toxic waffle maker can feel stressful when you care about what touches your food. The best options use safer coatings, heat even, and avoid harsh smells, which matters in many U.S. homes focused on clean cooking. I've cooked with several of these over time, and some truly feel better to use day after day. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose with peace of mind. And all product links in description, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Belgian Nonstick Waffle Maker. The Hamilton Beach Belgian Nonstick Waffle Maker feels like a calm upgrade for relaxed mornings. From many user stories, this waffle maker delivers steady results without stress. The ceramic-coated cooking surface helps waffles lift away clean with little effort. The adjustable browning control allows simple choice between soft or crisp texture. The upright storage design suits smaller kitchens and shared cabinets. Several buyers mention even color and soft centers after each cook. Cleaning sounds easy with a quick wipe once cool. Some people note slower cooking speed, so patience helps during busy breakfasts. A few users also wish heat felt stronger, yet results stay consistent. The body feels solid and well built for the price range. Many like avoiding spray oil and keeping foods simple. For anyone wanting reliable Belgian-style waffles with less mess, this waffle maker seems dependable and friendly for daily home use without extra steps. Number 4. Metine 3-in-1 Belgian Waffle Maker. The Metine 3-in-1 Belgian Waffle Maker sounds like a flexible helper for busy homes. Based on shared buyer feedback, this waffle maker fits families who like variety on one counter. The interchangeable cooking plates allow easy switching between meals without extra tools. The 5-level heat control helps users manage different foods with less guesswork. The cool touch handle design adds comfort during use. Many users enjoy faster cooking during mornings with even results. Cleaning feels simple since plates come off without effort. Storage looks manageable for kitchens with limited space. Some reviews mention the body feels heavy, so moving it needs care. A few users also say learning heat levels takes time. Still, most experiences highlight steady performance once familiar. For people who want one appliance for waffles, sandwiches, and grills, this waffle maker offers practical use and time-saving value for daily home cooking routines. Number 3. Presto Ceramic FlipSide Belgian Waffle Maker. The Presto Ceramic FlipSide Belgian Waffle Maker feels made for calm weekend cooking. Many home cooks praise how this Belgian waffle maker delivers thick results with soft centers. The rotating flip design helps batter settle with ease. The ceramic non-stick grid allows quick wipe cleaning after use. The cool touch handle supports safe turning during cooking. Users often say waffles look bakery style and taste rich. Heating stays steady, which helps each batch cook the same way. Storage seems simple since the unit rests upright in cabinets. Some buyers mention the built-in timer feels confusing at first. Others say learning batter amounts takes one try. Still, reviews show consistent success after small practice. This ceramic flip waffle maker suits families who enjoy breakfast routines. It works well for those wanting restaurant texture at home. Overall, feedback shows reliable cooking with little effort once familiar. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Belgian Non-Stick Coated Plates Waffle Maker. The Hamilton Beach Belgian Non-Stick Coated Plates Waffle Maker feels built for people who enjoy slow mornings. Feedback shows this waffle maker creates thick waffles with a soft inside. The easy flip motion helps batter settle evenly during cooking. The removable ceramic cooking plates make washing feel less tiring after breakfast. The adjustable browning control allows users to match taste preferences with ease. Many owners like the solid body because it feels stable on counters. Waffles release clean without tearing or sticking. Cleanup becomes simpler since plates and tray can go into a dishwasher. Some users mention the unit feels heavy when lifting. Others say it needs a little counter space. Still, once placed, it works smoothly. This Belgian waffle maker suits families who cook together. It delivers steady heat and a reliable texture. Overall, reviews suggest dependable results with less mess and better control. Finally, the GreenPan Elite FourSquare Belgian Ceramic Non-Stick Waffle Maker feels designed for careful home cooks. Many users say waffles cook evenly and taste rich without heavy oil. The healthy ceramic surface helps food lift out clean and fast. The adjustable crunch control allows each batch to match personal taste. The removable dishwasher-safe plates reduce cleanup stress after busy mornings. Owners like that batter stays inside the edges and avoids mess. Cooking time feels slightly longer than basic models. Results still feel worth the wait. The body feels solid but takes counter space. Settings feel clear and simple to follow. Square waffles make serving easier for families. Texture stays crisp outside and soft inside. Some people mention storage feels bulky in small kitchens. Overall, feedback suggests this waffle maker suits homes focused on healthier cooking and consistent results without sticking or chemical coatings. Final verdict: if you want the best non-toxic waffle maker with premium build and peace of mind, the GreenPan Elite FourSquare Belgian Ceramic Non-Stick Waffle Maker is my top pick. Its PFAS-free ceramic coating, even heat, and removable dishwasher-safe plates make it ideal for families who care about clean cooking and consistent results. If you want a more budget-friendly option that still avoids harsh coatings, the Hamilton Beach Belgian Non-Stick Coated Plates Waffle Maker is a smart second choice, offering solid heat control and easy cleanup at a lower cost. Both are dependable, safer options for daily use. To check the latest prices and full details, see the links in the description.